A motorboat can travel 30 kilometers upstream and 28 kilometers downstream in 7 hours. It can travel 21 kilometers upstream and return in 5 hours. Find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the stream. So what is the funda? Please have a look. For this particular question, I think this will suit exactly. So let's begin with, let the speed of the boat be x kilometer per hour in still water, that is, and y speed of stream. Okay, and then we have two different cases. Case 1, we have a boat can travel 30 kilometers up and 28 kilometers down in 7 hours. Okay, so we have a person or the boat going up and down. So in this particular case itself, we have two different cases. 30 kilometers, so upstream. Okay, so this is 30 kilometers upstream, and then he's coming down 28 kilometers, and this is 7 hours, right? And case 2 would be, again, see to that you draw a rough diagram, that's enough. But yeah, we have to draw. We have it travels 21 kilometers upstream and returns in 5 hours. So first is 21 kilometers and returns. What does it mean? They're not given downstream. Why is that? Because they're telling they'll come back to the same place. Return is, that's what it's written now. When are you returning means what? When are you coming back? Coming back to what place? Wherever you are. From there, right, from here back to your original position. So this put together is 5 hours. Right, guys? And now on to the working. So formula used over here is time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, so we have case 1. So total time is equal to time for upstream plus time for downstream. Right, that's how you should deal with. Total time is equal to 7 hours. Upstream is distance by speed. Upstream, remember, speed of the boat minus the stream, plus 28 by x plus y. Okay. Oh yeah, this will be a lengthy answer. And case 2 would be what is it? 5 hours is equal to 21 by x minus y plus 21 by x plus y. Okay, so what is that we have to take? Let, yes, we have to go with let a be equal to 1 by x minus y and b be equal to 1 by x plus y. And so we have therefore 7 times of 30a plus 28b, and we have second equation is 5 times of 21a plus 21b, right? I hope that's 21 itself. Yeah. And now we just have to solve this. The whole funda is this only. Okay, we have to get it an linear equation. Once we get that, we are done. What to use? We can't use substitution method, it will be too lengthy. If I do subtract, I'll get 7 stuff. That won't help. No, 9. I think, what should we go with, guys? What do you think? Yeah, I feel elimination is only okay. So 28, no, 13, no, 28 and 20, 21. So 28 and 21. 7, right? 3 is a 4 is a. So 3, 4, 21, 4, that is 80. 84. So this we'll call as equation 1. This is equation 2. So we are looking at equation 1 into, this is 4, right? No, 3 minus equation 2 into 4. Okay, if we do that, we'll get the answer. So this is 21 is equal to 90a plus this is 90 minus 6, 84b, correct? And this would be 20 is equal to 2 into 4, that is 84a plus 84b. Okay, I'm just being careful. Negative, negative, and negative. So this is clearly 1. This is the difference is 6, right? 6a, and this is 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, so let's substitute this onto b. Sub a and 2, I guess that's easier. No, a 1, because it can cancel, is it not? So we have, where is it? 7 is equal to 30 by 6 plus 28b. So this is 5 to 14. B is equal to 14. I don't have much space, so I'm doing this. Okay, is that correct? 5 transpose 2. Yeah. So A and B we got. Therefore, x minus y is equal to 6. X plus y is equal to 14. Makes sense. And now, if I add it, 2x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 10. While your y will be equal to, right, therefore y is equal to 14 minus 10, which is 4. And then the final answer. Speed of boat is equal to 10 kilometers per hour, and speed of stream is equal to 4 kilometers per hour. Okay, so that's the funda, that's it, right? All we did was started with a good diagram. This is all it is, then apply it to your total time and so on and so forth, and you're done. Okay, so see to that you guys understand the funda. Everything else is quite simple.